Hello and welcome. I have today to show you this new Pössl camper van. So 62,000 euros, 6 meters, 2-win S plus, and what, 61,500 if you want. With 62 by the time you put some fuel in it. It's a traditional Fiat Ducato camper van with a widthwise bed at the back. It has all the way around storage, quite deep storage I have to say. You can get a better idea how deep it is from down there. Goes right to the very back, so the corners are used, something I'm very keen on. A skylight above, mattress, 3 mattresses in the bed. Sorry, step up to the bed, large kitchen block, so we've got 2 burners and of course a sink in here, drawers under the kitchen block, and here we will find a fridge which opens both ways, table which extends a little bit, and in here, shower, large shower, 2 drainage points, sink, nice sink I would say, and there's a mirror, there's a place, no sorry, this is the room, and storage in there. You can see the way the outside of the vehicle slopes when you're in here. And there you go, you can see it leaves stuff under there. See what's under there at the same time. So other than this door, I'd have to say it's a very practical, comparatively cheap by modern standards motorhomes. If I'm going to find anything to criticize, it's as always these ledges, which I always feel could be incorporated into this bit just by dropping down a piece there. You have all that extra space to play with. And it's been pointed out to me, where do you put your hearing aid? Well, you maybe put some pouches on for those that need hearing aid, or glasses cases. Okay, I wear glasses, so glasses have to go somewhere. But the storage really is, I think, very efficient. Got electrical points there. I think this is a nice, nice looking new motorhome. No, it's not a motorhome, it's a camper van. Very practical. Let's have a look around the back, see if there's anything there. And I would have preferred a sliding door in the bathroom, but other than that. Okay, so you can see that the step down there, that will come out. So if you want to have something long here, like skis or something like that, here we will find space for 2 gas cylinders going there. This will of course all come up if necessary. You can put it to one side, you can put it up there, and you've got sort of a rear lounge. Alright, maybe not really. In the door, window, screen, very nice. Opens to 160 degrees, it says there. Fiat Ducato, camper van, 2-win, S plus from Pössl. And the door's closing by itself. No, it isn't. It just looked as though it was. This has my mark of approval. Quite nice vehicle. Mind you, if they were offering one to me, I'd really like these ones here with the high roof. That's the sort of thing that appeals to me. Maybe if it's open, we'll have a look at it just to make the point. Mind you, you're looking at 20,000 more for something like this. Yeah, 75,000 or 15,000 more. But I really like these ones here. And I know they burn far more fuel because of the height But you got all of that storage there. You got the washroom here, and it's very similar floor plate footprint. You've got another bed up there should you need it, but even when this bed is down, there's a reasonable amount of space around the table. So this is sort of more to my liking. And yeah, I'll even show you this one as well whilst I'm here. Something like this, again, about 75,000, something along those lines. I'll put the lights on. Oh, look, you've got to come all the way to the back to put the lights on. 12 volt, there we are. I'm not so keen on this structure here because I think it's a waste of space. It's done that way to make an extra bed here. 2 beds up there, so 2 bedroom spaces. So you can sleep 3 in here, and you've got steps up to the shower and toilet, and there's lots of space inside to stand up in it, even though it's raised to allow to sort of garage below it. But just not keen on this reverse. I just think that's a complete waste of space. But if you want to carry 3 people around, they've got a third person has to sleep somewhere. So I quite like these high roof ones. Here, there's another high roof one. If we can get in, we'll have a look at it. And it's over here. Pössl Avario 545. And what's interesting about this one here is only 541 centimeters long, 73,000 euros. And right, where's the lights? Where's the panel? Can't find the panel. Because normally the panel's supposed to be here, isn't it? It's here. It's in this position. Yeah. Turn that on. So there you go. Oh, there it is. There's the panel here. So turn the lights on. Well, they already are on. So does that make any difference? Doesn't matter. You get the general impression. What's this one here got? It's got bunk beds at the back. The shower here. Toilet here. You might think, well, that's not very practical. You gotta walk through the shower. Yeah, okay, right. It's a tiny floor footprint. They don't have the reverse beds. The rear-facing bench. You've got two sleeping spaces up there as well. So you can get 4 sleeping spaces. I think you can even get 5 in here. Actually, it's been an awful swash, but it is possible. Anyway, I do like this extended roof up there for space, but this is the one I've been talking about, this new one. These are the ones here, these are the ones, this has been on the go for a very, very long time. So I think that's a very clean, nice looking camper van. Hope you found this interesting. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.